Welcome back, Marshmallow Warriors. You're tuned in to Medicare and Marshmallows, where the stories are roasted to a fine, hilarious crisp, and the truth sticks like melted chocolate on your favorite camping pants. Today, we're heading way off the beaten path, out to the wide open spaces with Erlene B. Erlene's traded tractors for a rocking chair, but hasn't lost an ounce of her grit.
Howdy, Kim. Brought my lawn chair, a thermos of coffee, and a warning. I talk as much as my prize rooster used to crow.
You're in the right place, Erlene. Let's stir this fire up. So, why did you choose a Medicare Supplement plan?
Simple as sweet corn. I live too dang far from anything. Nearest hospital's 35 miles. We have only one single Medicare Advantage plan available here out in the sticks. And the nearest in-network provider is 3 states away. I wanted a plan that didn't care if my doctor wore cowboy boots.
You needed freedom and a GPS that navigates untarred roads.
Exactly.
What's working great with Medicare Supplement for you?
Predictability. When the ambulance had to airlift me after my appendix threw a hissy fit, between Medicare and Medicare Supplement, I paid almost nothing.
Hold up, you got airlifted like a movie star?
Oh, sure, except no makeup and in a hospital gown that left nothing to the imagination.
Medicare Supplement, making emergency helicopter rides budget-friendly since forever. What about the challenges, Erlene?
Those monthly premiums sting harder than a wasp at a picnic, especially because out here we don't have fancy dental plans or free eye exams thrown in. You pay your premiums and pray the cows don't get loose and you don't get the flu the same week.
Okay, not even sure I know what that means, but any cost-sharing stories?
Yep, had a series of physical therapy visits after the airlift saga. I braced for some big bills, but between Medicare and my Medicare Supplement Plan G, zero, zip, zilch. I kept waiting for some fella to jump out of a bush and hand me a secret invoice. Never happened. Nice! Favorite rural moment involving Medicare Supplement? Last summer, my cousin tried to convince me to just stick with original Medicare alone to save money. Meanwhile, the poor gal twisted her ankle at the county fair and got hit with a surprise ambulance bill bigger than a prize bull. I just sipped my lemonade and said, "Shoulda got yourself a little supplement sugar, honey."
Now that's funny. Erlene, sum up Medicare Supplement in 3 words.
Safe, steady, worthwhile.
Just like a good farm dog. Thanks, Erlene. Folks, that's it for today's Fireside Yarn. Until next time, may you stay warm and wise and copay free.